Maya, can you mix up this Rubik's Cube for me?
Sure. Done.
Thank you. I'm gonna solve it.
You could actually solve it?
Yes, I can actually solve it.
Proof.
Okay, I'll show you. Okay, this is what the cube looks like so far. It's all mixed up. Now, we're gonna solve it. Get your head out of the camera, Maya. And it's fully solved. Completely, all by myself.
Let me see. No, it isn't. See, you didn't finish the orange one.
I just watched you. It is completely solved.
Fine. You and a puff.
Okay.
These ones are extra cheesy.
Thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.